Sir John said I dear sir one PM David the minister minya do so to you me do yes sir no enra say Sir John Pekukudam media general presenter Sir Kukudam wa nyame adom a e free enne anadwen kosi Tuesday enumre His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Babiu ebewura omre send this omba mo friend Flagstaff House ebewura ho no commentary ni na ya de say Sir John Oka media general Kukudam presenters are omonde friends commentary no ebeba and analysis ni na from Ayenkran across all media general platform na say Yeka TV3 Onua TV Akoma FM Onua FM Connect and our face so the aka ho nyina ya de say Sir John ho a de beba na enra mia me kofa me nua fie and the call airport in fact ya beda busuan for say mami na ebrem mami na ebrem na minua ekofa no ko airport in fact busuan for be nyina ye domase John 146 o kan John 146 I will say na we papa betimi afri Nazareth aba na no kwasem ne say bibipa no aba Cratch back up oko sabonum number 4 it's number 4 menka sabonum me say number 4 manka sabonum me say sabonum 4 number 4 eti Sir John minua na eba no na enra of for first time eti ya hano se okoye na oko check in na ye hwe se ni ticket kuta no bibia ye kama eti wi no se minua mewie omse yankoto process no osoro timidi na chi ona bema buada ona etutatai no ne political bags kuta ne kama no ahye ne slippers aboni kiki na eye ne iPad so ehye ne motom ti wi na mde ne fa asoro ho fa process ni munyina na mde menua ekotena eye prim fa ni wura prim seat no ne tena se pa ni na so kamina na me yawe se na me na wo bi na prim ni betu prim tu ya no me ne pilot ne eye prim madwumai for ehye da unse utena prim na prim tu a ye mfa e phone nto also the phone to flight mode but me no makasa say Mr. na o ma me ni menua ne kasa ansana or fly above thousands of above sea level but o ma me ne kasa mu so bia you okay timi when you bring belt we bring I have a call say Joma menwie o dey ba me ba so don't worry em prekura me what time now eti o tete fly tete o do wiem say we okay o say me okay we ma che o say two de na ka me pese atia na me say ka me ko ye friend say washroom but you see be okay me say akoma makoma mbra from sa na tie nyame adom say John akodu nkan a anopa ye hwe Onua TV na yade say wo so boni suit kama say the John o papa no mono say o chia papa ni papa so na papa de ni nkaba e be message aba no pena papa say mankra no nanzi ajami na adama ore no so bagin training da dia boga tonche na to ti ni na chia ta na me chia so Evans de lo kwase mi ye wa kan mi na no ye ni ko ni no na mi ye ni ko nyan ko ni ni de ko ya no se ya bagin kan ya ba be she ni no na elisi enne ni no ko parliament more records any ma o mama na available to the public I may need to for achieve minimum limit in and then there is a resolution of the 8th parliament and now inauguration of the 9th parliament minimum limit AC or parliament na in fact na so that can you we move it to parliament house because all parliament almost solution media my prayer if you 10 the dissolution of the 8th parliament the process was start and there's a lot nothing na the whole records also ọmọ edihujuma na ọmọ dissolve the 8th parliament now by 10 p.m. process that started for inauguration of the 9th parliament and also ebesiasie nti ni na say the kan no ye wo ho and na ye ni ati ye be kati ye si ye da na ni chief for edin komo na ye bi bia no na ye ebra mampani I Ghana Tribal Union so the kan abedi His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na ya sworn in ama in fact the inaugural speech wakani na de other Ghana for us na the akabi abose bi we sure de ba na de aba ko prefer ka na mo na be koso ma avie no yen ye bi katai ye be to fem dia no bi to assure you chief for say ye be the up to speed accurate and the fact ye be be chief for our sentiment no omo be show you TV so and so enjoying nia TV so nothing so bibia aye kama onti no it my can say the great kaya kuma say sentiment no me tie wa kuma FM it say process and starting for the dissolution of the 8th parliament na MPs the na parliament ye bon kompoko hechi the ma koso at a point into kwa early ballot papers na koso in this parliament ebia be kase waje parliament we be parliament here the best young official me say parliament we should give us the best in terms of omo kimedi emrashe me how we check your buy no say samawa I'm sure say by now in the cost in one catholic man church and MPsa omo eba ya omo medi no you show so much in this parliament omo nkasa enemy but you na nko wi no and that MPs now especially the good owners, my own friend and or one of the MPs I mean Katie Hammond and now we catch my central for our parliament when they woke up meaning I can't aka so the media when I know the media when but you know MPs now I mean the lives of continental national subs honorable Adrian Roman Oshe Adabo Afano Southeast any waka I mean even how many MPs meaning after now it is a rich parliament or many parliament again try we can't because the young Chuabama dealing as MP it's just we pay a Chuabama or remember anyone will be or prime minister will see it if you are not doing say the little prime is not prepared if you all want prepare until see a trouble to be not seven and not a banner doing just our parliament the one for prime minister also be prepared say our parliament we don't go in even the economy that been say after dissolution of parliament and now this will be review the 9th parliament new faces ever and let my culture say the discussion will be done in Kosovo even say the 8th parliament now go for the questions about the leadership after Smana Kingsford Badman as speaker. Now when the first deputy, one the second deputy, now could be the main Mampani Atwabayino. It didn't say there's an issue with how and statement in Babonti because now a party and you're not consulting who are here to in this case statement a month or so much as I say Mampani Atwabayino recommending and also the Oma speaker and also Oma leadership of parliament. Any party no editing but immediately the family if you are saying Alban Smana Kingsford Badman the next speaker we will see the two swaba but let's take this for you dissolve the parliament we pay it's just say Speaker Badman the tenure as speaker of parliament have a year with respect to the 8th parliament I want to assign go through another process now you're trouble because of this 8th parliament, so we the MPP for say no, because of the state of parliament at the time, we did now we need speakership now. But the hell, we sure say we think about it say almost 1 minute because of how our parliament is here. But you know, the trouble we are. Whoever I'm sure they will endorse because of the state of parliament now with 183 MPs for the NDC. And your 4 MPs are MPs elect are almost also independent candidates. As we speak, the person is also the first and then we really be about A plus.
I remember so A plus. So now, Sergio, what's a work casano? What's the Encrofor Mubi, MPs Mubi, Omolasi, and Yanamibwa?
I am a lot of
Yinti. Black Square. Now, Yatise, Beba no so. Yatise, His Excellency the President-elect, John Dramani Mahama Bebiu, Obeko Jubilee House na talk akra. Na NDC for the mobile friend Black Staff House. When yanti bi on Messi Sedina na
because some of the leadership LNDC one or prefer say come back to the English name or the Flagstaff House. And come out because Philip say a message between Canada, but a amount of the step now the new Sabbath in India here from India, but I mean, experience in this country. I mean, we buy maybe associate tree, maybe a project tree, maybe a tree. In fact, it will be an education climate this year, 4 years, this year, 3 years. If you're married, remember, you can't say priorities, no. And then fully do, you know, I am saying, because naming the reading of the Jubilee House, I think it should be any developmental impact. As we say, it is improved to the back. They will be Jubilee House at the end of Flagstaff House. And then, Ghana, the economy now grew. And when you do a movie, you didn't say, over there in Sadia, but come out with a switch to someone. It didn't be said, and some maybe because I'm pretty up then could for the buyer. And I'm better son, the other say, I believe you are the most about the system. Until said that you can not to pay and come out. All right, sir. Let me be sitting any day. The morning can be an adventure. All right, I had the Waha. May Busao Nafi MPP forces Mwaya or Modia Bano, and also so Odia 2 and Insawa. Yanity A plus, sending social media handle back on Wakasa. Kennedy a compare kwa Japan, Eshiano. You say Kennedy the only plus the orphanage and a bapra, me precope. Na nina ne se opesenka A plus nyame adom na se na anadwi ye duo mutum wi a anka na konwa no ntabiri nanka won free independent ho no metena MPP side nanka omwa isan se yesi kuntum hwane a ninjira na eko unsachi be yoda enti se unsayem na ya fairness yesi se Benedict Dawson na eno na April so asem o kan se no kwasem se NDC for so ne na kasa se ono so emebuom no pad na komemu pa die nanka o twema NDC pa nenso so MPP for so aka wo badwene ho na wahwede o na se jo which my culture no tell you to say Kwame A plus only NDC ebe ye juma parliament information ye taking am pay the manura ebe come pay no Kwame E+ any NDC which is the majority caucus no ebe ye juma now
and mate say you so aka state on record Asante Achimagogo Asante Achimagogo yes so on here yes okay Mahama kra it is a NDC nya 185
oh yes so it is 183 plus 4 183 plus 4 it will make 187
okay now it's omu nya pa kan ho yeah
into what is happening is that Kwame plus in decision no and say yes MPP Shiamo and like I say seat no then contested bill now what this so the contested bill now contested bill Kwame plus we say we now could say development ebeba
yes
we say so the development the call Gomwawa MPP pa omunfa Dr. Manugo am contesting obawini do you want to hear any development now the assurance from the NDC said for development they can assure him say on the man development he say along the line interestingly it didn't propose say na it didn't propose say nka Kwame plus from tenkebeya nka second deputy no nka omu consider this is nkoma ye ba ya be tibia na nkomo bi e course but some people believe that yes but some people believe that Kwame Plus the first time in parliament in the case of former MP for parliament
yes
actually before assuming that position and you know and abeye the opposition to that proposal now if she didn't but equally NDC MPs almost so much in parliament. Was almost some of these things are back along the lines of we are not proposing to be so we are not the ninth parliament, you know, they no great na great na say clerk of parliament as well in na say your trouble the speaker will come to confirmation a confirmation of Speaker Bagman. Then we move to Black Star Square.
Okay.
Mampeni Adankwa Kufuado. Sorry, Mampeni Ayachwa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Mampeni Adankwa Kufuado we really there. He said Nano Oba Ofiliki Ko Evans Okradu Bedina about to say this is our course. Maybe another commission at that period to be I don't know. I've seen it at the hour by midnight of May, as I say, the other year. Now His Excellency John Dramani Mahama was sworn in as the next president. In fact, only a president of Akwa Abedu into from 92 Rawlings, Kofor, Mills, JBM 1, then another Danko Kufuado. We are getting the 6th president of the 4th Republic. Now we the 4th president, probably the 6th president. In interesting times ahead, Ukraine. Even I use this monitor the echoes of our. The Dominions will be familiar. We are going to Ukraine and we need 2 sessions of parliament.
Now, maybe you be me pese ye ti we ti free so ansa na ye ra ho enti A+ ka we mate say MPP for so akasa o mate say
say you see about the say ya the MPP beka as to say nipa ya delegating is on me engaging no as to nipa no say the pin and I say any party meeting and I say party meeting. I mean, you never mentioned a party now being you also say can they Japan I'm telling you this other contested the next primaries.
Kennedy be back for a presidential primaries no
I'm telling you this.
Oh, I see.
Until admit this parliament, you know.
Oh, Shishani Niema.
So Benya Nanka Wabua Ama the minority side numbers no. It's near control in that Ebebuama or then it will get to a point on also quite a defense say or contributed to parliament in the city because NBC in here 185, 184, 85 to have the 2/3. You say it will contribute to it. Let's say yes, I mean it's a gain for him. There are a lot of things that any party endorsement and I say approval, I say go and meet this person or try to lobby, call it on behalf of the party and then this army. As I say party will endorse the army, but say party now approve it, say officially meet him, make these demands say yeah, man, the contest. These are things that party for the say any party in position because at the end of the day, the party today when it comes A+ prior to this homicide, it still doesn't make the NDC numbers say because let's not forget already 2 of the independent candidates normally NDC MPs and after primaries we call independent. Democrat at the point when they come Ukraine, that means 185. If these are dynamics which is the party for the Guinean Sumamokoswa and also the air cost within the party. At this point, but a burning crabia.
I feel for you, independence coin. Father, check for Facebook. We